Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2. So the question is, discuss the reasons for gap between the production and the consumption of cereals in the country, how it can be rectified. So it is of 10 marks question and you have to attempt in the range of around 150 words. So first of all, in the introduction, we have to justify with the data that yes, there exists a gap between the production and the consumption of cereals in the country. So India produces around 300 million tons of cereals every year, but people's consumption requirements are barely 200 million tons, which highlights a significant gap between the cereal production and the consumption in India. So through this data we can see that yes, there exists around gap of 100 million tons in the production and the consumption. Now, what are the reasons behind this gap? Like changing dietary habits due to urbanization, higher education levels and the diversification in the food intake. Urbanization has make the people looking for more convenient foods like ready to eat foods because they don't have time to cook food. Then higher education levels, they have made the people more health conscious and they are looking for more healthier options like protein diets, fiber rich diets and diversification in the food intake. Then there is a increased export of cereals with around 32 million tons in 2021 to 2022. Then industrial use of cereals for products like biscuits, bakery items, etc., which might not be fully accounted for in the consumption estimates. So this can also be the reason that we are now making more processed food products. Then underestimation in the animal feed usage by around 5%. The cereals that are used in the animal feeds, and we are not calculating that, we are underestimating that. So these are some of the reasons that there is a gap between the production and the consumption of cereals in the country. Now, how to rectify this gap? Diversifying the agriculture away from just rice and wheat. So we can look for other crops also like horticulture crops. Then leveraging the surplus for increased exports. Through exports we can boost our economy. If we are having surplus cereals, so we can export them. Then expand cereals industrial applications, like we can focus more on the processed foods like biscuits, ready to eat breakfast cereals, etc. And these processed foods also have a higher market potential and export potential. Then evaluate the impact of public distribution system on the cereal consumption and the distribution efficiency, so that we can see whether the people are getting enough cereals from these PDS chains or not. Hence, these measures will help bridge the production and consumption gap and ensure the nutritional and the food security. So in this way, you can write this answer. Thank you and keep watching my videos. And to get the PDFs of these videos, you can refer my Telegram channel.